Well, matching with this weather, I'm thinking of some maybe slow jams, Al Green, stay inside, sip on some coffee, and start your morning off right. But yes, it is definitely sprinkling in some parts of central Texas, but not cold. That's the key this morning.
Not cold, thankfully. It's in the 50s though, so it's a little damp, just a damp morning out there for the most part. You will need a light jacket if you're walking outside with those temperatures in the 50s and the rain falling, but look at all the rain on the map. This is all light though. It is enough though to coat the road, create some slick spots, so give yourself some extra time on that morning commute. We're even seeing some heavier showers starting to form towards the Brazos Valley. This is all as a warm front is lifting northward. That's transporting that Gulf moisture in place, and that's why we have things so humid and damp out there right now. Eventually, it could fuel some thunderstorms as we get into the late morning and the early afternoon hours. I do think east of I-35, some of these could be strong to severe. That's why I have you under this gun for the isolated severe weather threat. That is going to be from Fairfield, Groesbeck, Marlin, east side of Bell County down into the Brazos Valley. And then as you get south of Highway 79, a scattered severe weather threat. That's where I think the bigger risk will be today. The atmosphere spinning like a top. There is a lot of spin down in the Brazos Valley right now. Texas A&M Meteorology just launched a sounding. That's when they go up in the atmosphere and they take readings all the way through it through a weather balloon, and it's showing nothing but a lot of shear in the atmosphere, which could fuel those thunderstorms if there's enough energy. That's going to be the key today. And to do that, we're going to have to see temperatures warm closer to 70. I don't think that happens in central Texas. We'll be in the mid 60s, but it's down here in the Brazos Valley where they'll get in the upper 60s, and then some of our eastern counties too. After lunchtime or around lunchtime, this one we'll see if some of these thunderstorms can blow up. And if they can, again, the potential is there for a few tornadoes. I think the bigger threat of that even is going to be down into the western side of the Houston metro area. But it's something we'll monitor. There is a chance that it tries to come a little closer to us. But again, I don't think we're going to be warm enough. If, however, we end up in the 70s and we're still in that warm and muggy air mass, we may have to watch things a little closer. It's going to be something that changes here through the day. But right now, the better threat looks to be over our eastern counties down into the Brazos Valley. The good news, all this will clear out as we get into the evening and a cold front comes through. I mentioned that it's going to have to be warm enough. That's because we have a cap of warm air here in the gray that's going to come in by the time we get into the middle of the day. Down here where there's more energy, that's where you'll see the thunderstorms. And that does extend into some of our eastern counties. So go ahead and grab the phone. Make sure you have our app. Make sure you have our social medias followed, and we'll keep you updated if anything does form. But right now, it looks like everything, or at least the most severe storms, will stay out of Waco, Temple, Killeen, and to the east. 65 coming up for tomorrow behind that front. 71 to 70 Saturday and Sunday. Looks like we'll get a cool down early next week. We're right back with more GMT after this.
Store.